Hey lovelies, I'm going to show you how to make a Peter Rabbit cake topper. Let's hop to it. If you'd like to create a perfect Peter Rabbit or bunny cake topper for your cakes, then check the link in the description and you'll be able to grab the template sheet which has all the weights and watch an in-depth version of this. I'm obsessed with these large number cutters. I make fondant themed number candles for every cake I make now. There's no more dreading where that candle goes, and the set also comes with candle wicks. I've popped the link in the description below. The best way to use FMM alphabet cutters is to actually not tap them out. I use flour paste or gum paste to make so I can roll it really, really thin, and then I turn it over, clean around the edges, and just pop it out with a craft knife, and it does it perfect every time. Hey, I'm cutting in. I hope you're really enjoying the tutorial, and if you're a massive Peter Rabbit fan, as I am, then you're going to love the next video coming up on your screen. You can see how I make the very cute Benjamin Bunny. Remember, the link for the template is in the description below, and if there's anything you'd like me to make in the future, please comment. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.